on, you guys? It's Ryan Cannon with Lantern Collision Center, and we're back today with another video. Today we have a ZR1. So this here is a C4 ZR1. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. It has 40,000 original miles on it. So this thing is like a diamond in the rough. I don't think I've ever seen one of these in person before, and it's in pretty good condition. It's in here, obviously the quarter panel, as you can see here, or the bottom of the quarter panel, but it's missing a piece. So it's in here. They're going to be doing, I'm pretty sure they're doing a full respray on this if I heard correctly. But yeah, so that's what this is here for. This thing is beautiful. I mean, I didn't even know they made the ZR1 before the C6. It's got a full red interior, so it's red on red. It's got the 6-speed manual transmission. This thing really is a beautiful car. All right, guys, so we're back here with the C4 ZR1. We're taking the body panels apart so we can get it ready for painting. As you can see, Ryan right here is working on this door panel. After that, the only thing I think we have left is this front bumper right here, and then it should be ready for painting from there. Alright guys, so the Corvette's now out of paint. The only thing that's left to do at this point is to put it back together. And as you can see, the paint looks pretty good. It actually looks way better than it did before. But other than that, the Corvette is halfway done to being completed. right, guys, so the ZR1 is finally done after 2 months of it being in our shop. It is finally complete. So as you can see, we got this thing all cleaned up. This thing just looks so good now. The fresh paint is beautiful. The emblems are all back on. This thing just came out so good. It looks so much better than when it first came in here. Just everything about this came out amazing. I'm just in awe of how good it looks right now. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like on it, subscribe, and comment down below anything else you'd like to see. We have a few more cool projects that are going on here that we'll be posting in the future, so stay tuned for those.